Welcome guys to another episode of Brand New, and today we have something very exciting for you guys. So let's begin. Here you can see the knife sharpener I bought from eBay. It cost me about $8 to $9 and free shipping from eBay. So if you want this later to buy, the link will be in the description below. Okay, so let's see if the thing is really worth it. A little bit of description. So in this sharpener we have 4 holes to sharpen our knife. 1 for scissors and 2, 3, 4 for different level of sharpening. 2 is the most hard one, 3 is the second hard one, and 4 it is the most softable hard one. If that even makes sense. Okay, so you get me, okay? I hope you get me. So let's put it to the test. For this test I brought a blue knife. As you can see, it's not very sharp. Not very sharp, and it's a little bit ugly, but it's okay. So let's begin. Okay, so this is an ordinary paper, not a bit soft, not a bit hard paper. It's okay paper. This is test number 1 without sharpening. Okay, pretty good for a knife without sharpening. But let's see what it can do after sharpening. It feels good in my hand, you know, it's good to hold it nicely. So let's begin. Okay, so I think that's enough. Let's try our knife now. Test number 2 after sharpening. Oh, so smooth. This is a lot easier to cut with. Oh, amazing. This is so amazing. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Stay tuned.